From the air, the pinnacles look almost unreal, ancient, silent, and frozen in time.
This is going to be the park's entrance. They never had this like this before either. This is let's get as much money as possible. Get your wallet out and stuff.
It's grey day. Not going to see any shadows.
Wombats.
Wombats?
Yeah, not going to see any wombats.
Where do we go?
Keep wandering around. It's only 4-wheel drive through the park there.
I don't think this is the way.
Lots of little pull-in bays. Just got to keep the track clear.
Yeah. Oh look, they're doing photographs.
Got to get the Land Cruiser in.
Yeah.
But also this first section.
It's the best. But this is the walking section as well, isn't it?
I think this is also the walking section, yeah. It's quite amazing that you can actually just drive around these places.
Yeah.
It's a Land Cruiser.
They're taking videos of the Land Cruiser. There's plenty of parking around here.
Yeah.
Do you want to fly your drone?
No, not with all these people around.
I'll be there with you. How often have you been broken?
Yeah, I've got another phone call coming through. Hello?
Just stop it.
Should we get a selfie?
How crazy has it been when all the people make you look,
Oh, here comes the sun.
and all you wanna hear is I'll always love you.
Hey.
Yeah?
Oh, you're over there. I lost you for a minute.
I'll be there with you as far as you go.
Yeah, you got all the Chinese talking in the background.
Yeah, but I can just cut that out.
As far as you go.
Hello, wifey.
And even when you lose, I am beside you. As far as you go.
Carl flying his drone. How yellow the sand here and how white the sand over there.
Sleep and dream, 'cause all you want is on my mind. Wait and see that what was then won't hit you now. crazy has it been when all the people make you lonely and all you wanna hear is I'll always love you no matter what you do. I'll be there with you as far as you go. In all the laughter and even when you lose, I am beside you as far as you go. Sleep and dream, 'cause all you want is on my mind.
Why, oh why, oh why, oh why? Why am I singing this stupid song?
Because we've just edited Robin Falls.
Why, oh 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 why, oh.
It's called Fish Exfoliation. Look, that's why you need a forward drive to go around here.
Yeah, there's a couple of little rocky bits, but
Whip-de-doo does.
the rest of it's pretty smooth.
Wait and see that what was then won't hit you now. I'll always love you.
They're a bit like anthills, aren't they?
Yeah. A whole bunch over there.
I know. Oh, they look like tombstones.
You glad you came?
I wanted to come. I've been hassling you to come. Are you glad you came?
Found your rock that you sang behind?
Yeah, I reckon I have. I was just right at the beginning.
I have felt your love rushing over me, and now that I owe my life, my very soul, and now
There we go. There's the beach. Probably drive on it as well.
I think you can.
Let's just plop over there and have our sandwiches. Sandwiches. Cheese.
Yep. There's no pub here.
Don't want one.
I'll always love you. I'll be there with you as far as
If you are enjoying our videos, please click like, subscribe and click the bell for notifications.